Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all monsoon diet plan for weight loss. This diet plan will basically contain all the food items that you should have in the monsoon season, which will basically help you boost your immunity levels and as well as provide you with all the nutrients and vitamins and minerals that basically get lost in the monsoon, that is rainy season, and will definitely help you lose weight along with maintaining and boosting your immunity system. So without any delay, let's get started with the diet plan. Start your day with early morning drink. Now for the early morning drink, I'll give you two options. The first one being neem water. Now if you can have neem water, it's very good in the rainy season as it first prevents or reduces any kinds of pimples, acne that occur on the face, and also treat your skin well during the monsoon season and also help you clean your system very easily. Preparing neem water is very easy. All you have to do is take the fresh neem leaves and boil it in water. Boil it for approximately 5 to 7 minutes and then strain the water and drink the neem water. The second early morning drink option is normal lukewarm lemon water along with half a teaspoon of honey. Now you can choose either of the two options, but best if you have neem water. 15 minutes after this drink, you will have 5 soaked almonds and 2 walnuts. Now it's time for your breakfast. For the breakfast, I'll give you a very delicious option. That is, we'll consume hot homemade breakfast. That can include either upma or 2 or 3 idlis along with coconut chutney, or you can also have a small bowl of poha. Make sure that this meal of the day contains hot homemade food along with 1 teaspoon of desi ghee on it. Now don't worry, desi ghee does not make you fat in any conditions if had at proper timings. Desi ghee is the best saturated fat that you can have in the rainy season to increase your immunity levels and increase the vitamin A in your body. So have homemade hot breakfast in the rainy season along with 1 teaspoon of desi ghee added over it. Now it's time for your mid-morning snack, for which we will have 1 cup of freshly brewed green tea along with 1 fruit of your own choice. Best if you can have fruits like jamun, plum or peach. Green tea increases the antioxidant level in your body, which again fights with the diseases that come along with the rainy season. So have 1 cup of freshly brewed green tea. Now it's time for your lunch. As usual, before our lunch, we'll have 1 teaspoon or 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar in lukewarm water, which will not only help you cut your fat from the body but also will help you clean your bowel system and digestive system properly. For your lunch, again I'll give you a hot homemade breakfast which will include 2 besan chilas along with some raita and green chutney. Prepare the besan chila at home. It's very easy to prepare, and have it along with 1 katori of raita and some green chutney, and 2 besan chilas of normal size should be enough for this lunch. Now it's time for a mid-evening snack. Now as it's rainy season, we all crave for some kind of tea or coffee in the evening. So you can have 1 cup of hot tea or coffee, but please make sure that it's without sugar. Or if you don't want to have any kind of coffee, you can also have these 3 tea options and choose any one of it. My personal favorite is apple cinnamon tea, but you can choose any out of these 3 options, which is apple cinnamon tea, peppermint tea or chamomile tea. The link to buy any of these 3 tea options is in the description box below, so please do not forget to check it out. Now, along with tea, if you want to have any kind of snack, you can have either roasted makhanas or roasted peanuts, but just a handful of them should be enough. Now it's time for dinner. For dinner, you can either have a soup. Now I have a proper video on the soup ideas that are best to have in such seasons. The link to the video will be in the description box below, so please check it out to see the 3 soup ideas that I personally love in such seasons. Or if you don't want to have any kind of soup, you can also have sauteed veggies, any seasonal vegetables of your choice, but make sure to use less leafy green vegetables as they tend to contain some kind of insects and pesticides in the rainy season. So instead, you can use zucchini, onion, tomato, capsicum and a few corns as well. Saute them or grill them as per your own choice along with some seasoning, that is a pinch of pink Himalayan salt and just a few drops of olive oil. You can also season them with some oregano, black pepper powder and some chili flakes as well. and your delicious dinner is prepared. Now, it's rainy season, so do not forget to drink at least minimum of 2 liters of water in the entire day to keep you hydrated and as well as to increase and boost your immunity system. And if you feel hungry after your dinner, in this diet plan, you can also consume 1 cup of freshly brewed chamomile tea. Now, this particular tea boosts your immunity system, produces very good sleep, and also promotes a stress-free sleep. So, try having chamomile tea before going to bed. This diet plan contains all the good foods that you should have in the rainy season to boost your immunity system and as well as to keep you away from all the kind of diseases that occur in this season. If you like my video, please hit the like button, comment below if you have any query regarding any of my videos or any of the diet plans that I have mentioned in my channel, and I'll try to revert back to you as soon as possible. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More and press the bell icon so you will be notified whenever I upload or post a video on YouTube. Follow me on Instagram as I upload and post daily there about what I eat in a day in my stories. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.